Now we can solve 4.3 group 1 question number A. Solve the following equations. This one we can solve by transposing method. Then 2y plus 5 on 2 is equal to 37 upon 2. How can we do? First, this part, this is the variable part, we can keep it there itself. That is LHS part itself. After then, what is there in the RHS? 37 on 2. Keep it there. Next, we have to think about which number we have to transpose to this side. Here, plus 5 on 2, we have to move this number to RHS. So, minus 5 on 2. Why it became minus? Because here it is plus. That will be minus. So, denominators are same. That is like fractions. So, we have to subtract the numerators and after then write the denominator as denominator itself. That is 2 times y. 2y is equal to 37 minus 2. That is 32 on 2 itself. So, here multiplying by 2. So, this multiplying by 2, we have to move or we have to transpose this number into RHS part. So, 32 on 2, here multiplying 2 by 2. So, that will be dividing by 2. So, how can we divide the fraction? We have to take the reciprocal of the second number and we have to multiply. 32 upon 2 times reciprocal of 2 is 1 upon 2. Okay. Then 32 times 1, 32. Then 2 times 2, 4. How can we do this? 32 divided by 4, 8. So, y is equal to 8 is the answer. Next question number B. 5t plus 28 equal to 10. How can we do? 5t plus 28 equal to 10 is the question. Then this is the variable part. First we can keep it in LHS part itself. Then 5t. Now 5t is on LHS part equal to 10. This is the RHS part. That keep it there itself. First we have to write that RHS part itself. After then we can change this plus 28 into RHS part. Here plus 28, that will be minus 28. So 5 times t. 10 minus 28 minus 18. Because the second number is greater than the first number. So minus 18. So t is equal to here multiplying by 5. We have to take this multiplying by 5 into RHS part. So minus 18 by 5. This will be the answer. 18 on 5. Next question number C. A upon 5 plus 3 is equal to 2. How can we do this one? A upon 5 is the variable part. Keep it there. Then 2 is the RHS side. Is in the RHS side. Keep it there itself. Then plus 3 we have to transpose this into RHS side. So 2 minus 3. So A upon 5 is equal to 2 minus 3 minus 1. Here dividing by 5. So what can we do? We can take this to RHS part. Here dividing by 5. That will be, what will be the answer? Dividing by 5 will be multiplying by 5. So, A is equal to minus 5 is the answer. Question number D. Q upon 4 plus 7 equal to 5. How can we solve this? First we can write solution. Then Q upon 4 plus 7 equal to 5. This is the variable part. Keep it there. Q upon 4 is equal to this part we have to move to RHS. So 5 minus 7. Then Q by 4 is equal to minus 2. Right? 5 minus 7. 7 is greater than 5. Then negative symbol. After that, here we are dividing by 4. This we can transpose to RHS. So Q is equal to here dividing by 4. So what can we do? We can multiply by 4. So which is equal to minus 8. So the value is negative 8. The root of this variable Q is 8. Negative 8. Next question number E. 5 on 2x is equal to negative 10. How can we solve? Here 5 on 2 times x equal to negative 10. So that will be x is equal to negative 10. Here multiplied by 5 upon 2. So divide by 5 upon 2. How can we divide? We have to take the reciprocal of the second fraction and we have to multiply. Okay. Now negative 10 times 2 on 5. That is negative 20 upon 5, which is equal to negative 4. So the value of this x is negative 4. Next question is question number F. Here also 5 upon 2 times x is equal to 25 on 4. Here we can keep x on LHS part. Then 25 upon 4 divided by 5 upon 2. We can take the reciprocal of this second fraction, that is 2 upon 5, and multiply. Then we can cut this 25 and 5. This will be 1, this will be 5. And 4, 2, this will be 1. 5 times 1, 5. 5 upon 2 is the value of our x. Question number G. 7m is the variable part. Keep it on RHS side. Sorry, LHS side. Then 13. This plus 19 on 2 will be minus 19 on 2. Then here we know 1 will be the denominator. But here 1 and here 2. So what can we do? We have to make these fractions as like fractions. So we can 1 and 2. LCM of 1 and 2 is 2 itself. So 1 times 2 is 2. Then 13 times 2, 26 minus 19 on 2. So 7m. So 26 minus 19 on 2 is equal to 7 upon 2. So 7 times m equal to 7 on 2. Here multiplying by 7. So what can we do? We have to divide by 7. Divided by 7. Take the reciprocal of 7 and multiply. 7 by 2 times 1 upon 7. This 7 and this 7 we can cancel. So m is equal to 1 upon 2 is the answer. 6z plus 10 equal to minus 2. So 6z is the variable part. Keep it on LHS side. Then negative 2 here plus 10, that will be minus 10. So 6z is equal to negative 12. So z is equal to multiplying by 6. So that will be divided by 6. So z we can give it as negative 2 is the answer. Okay. 3l upon 2 equal to 2 upon 3. How can we? Here 3 upon 2 times L is 3L by 2. We know that by the solving or the simplest form we can do it like this way. Not simplest form. We can avoid the multiplication sign and we can write it like this way. Then L will be, here we are multiplying by 3 upon 2. So what can we do? Here we can divide by 3 upon 2. How can we divide? We have to take the reciprocal of the second fraction. So 2 upon 3. That will be 2 times 2, 4. 4 upon 3. So L is equal to 4 upon 3. Sorry, 4 upon 9. 3 times 3, 9. So 9 is the answer. 4 upon 9 is the answer. Here 2b on 3 minus 5 is equal to 3. Here this is the variable part. We can keep it on LHS. Will be equal to 3. Minus 5 will be plus 5. So 2 by 3 times b is equal to, we know this, we can write it as times. Okay. Then 3 plus 5, that is 8. So here multiplying by 2 upon 3. That will be divide by 2 upon 3. So how can we divide? We have to take the reciprocal of 2 on 3 and multiply. That is 3 upon 2 reciprocal. This 2 and this 8 we can cancel. Then 1 will be there. 4 times 3 on 1 will be equal to 12 on 1 will be 12 itself. So we can say the value of B is 12. Okay. So I think you got the idea for solving these questions by using transposing method. Just to change the sign and do the calculation. Only that much. We have to take this constants part or coefficients and move that to RHS side. That time the operations will opposite to RHS side. Okay.